Good morning children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of maths. Lesson number 11, money. Okay. Children, why we need money? Money plays an important role in our life. Yes, without money we cannot buy anything. Yes, without money we cannot buy anything. Money is needed to buy anything for us. Yes. And in India we use coins and notes in the form of currency, that is money. Okay, see here, it is very easy topic. You might have seen coins and notes. Yes, see here they have given some coins and notes. Yes, let's see which coins. Okay, here are some coins and notes. Observe each and write its value. We have to see the image. In the image which coin or how many rupees coin they have given, then we have to write the value of that. Okay, see here, first one, this is 1 rupee coin. Yes, this is 1 rupee coin. This is front view and it is back view of 1 rupee coin. So write here rupees 1, and money symbol is, rupees symbol is this one. Like this, it is rupees symbol. Okay, the symbol of rupees is this one, and symbol of paise is small p. Like this. Okay, symbol of rupees is Hindi R and this one line in between. Okay, and paise symbol is small p. Okay, this is 1 rupee coin. Then see next. This is 2 rupee coin. Yes, this is 2 rupee coin. So write here rupees 2. This is front view and this is back view of 2 rupee coin. Okay, and this one is 5 rupee coin. This is front view and this is back view of 5 rupee coin. Write here rupees 5 or 5 rupees. Next, this is front view of 10 rupees coin and this is back view of 10 rupee coin. So rupees 10 you have to write here. Then this is, children, do you know which coin it is? Can you see this? Here they have written 25 and in small letters they have written here paise. Okay, now we don't use this 25 paise and 50 paise. But in earlier days, they were using 25 rupees and 50 paise also. Okay. See, this is 25 paise. Right here, 25 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay. 1 rupee means, children, 1 rupee means 100 paise. Okay. 100 paise makes 1 rupees. Then if 25 paise are there, 25 paise coin is there, then how many coins we need to make 1 rupee? 4 coins. If 4 coins of 25 paise are there, then it make 1 rupee. Then we say that, then we can say that as 1 rupee. Okay. See this one, 50 they have written, and in small letters, in small words they have written it paise. Okay, right here this is 50 paise. This is front view and this is back view of 50 paise. Okay, children, now you tell me how many coins are needed to make 1 rupee. How many coins of 50 we need for 1 rupee? We need 2 coins of 50 paise to make 1 rupee. Yes, 50 plus 50 is 100 paise. Yes, 100 paise means 1 rupee. Okay, we need 2 coins of 50 paise to make 1 rupee. Then we'll see about notes. Now we'll see notes. See children, this is 1 rupee note. This is 1 rupee note. So write here rupee 1. And this one is 2 rupee note. This is 5 rupee note. This is 10 rupee note. Yes, this is 20 rupee note. Write here rupees 20. This is 50 rupee note. This is 100 rupee note. And this is 500 rupee note. And this pink one is here 2000 rupee note. 2000 2000 rupee note. Okay. Now children, I'm going to give one activity for you. You have to collect the notes. You can collect false notes, okay, nakli notes, and paste in one card sheet and do that activity. Okay, the activity is you have to collect the different notes like 1 rupee note, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupees note. Nakli notes you can collect and paste it in a card sheet, and you have to make a activity. Okay, you have to send that and you have marks for that also. Okay, next, see here how many rupees in all. Few exercise they have given here. See first one, A1, add the value of each coin and note what is the cost of each item. See here children, they have given few items here and they have given the money also here, notes and coins. We have to find out that by counting the coins and notes, we have to find out the value of the cost of the things here. Okay, this is ice cream. Now we have to find out the cost of this ice cream. Okay, and they have given the coins and money here. Count this 5 plus, this is 5 rupee coin, this is also 5 rupee coin, this is 10 rupee coin, and this 10 rupee coin. Sorry, this is 10 rupee note and this is also 10 rupee note. Yes, now we have to add these to find out the cost of this ice cream. 5 plus 5, 10 rupees. If you add 5 rupees 2 coin, it will become 10 rupees. Yes, 10 rupees plus this 10 rupees, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees plus this 10 rupees and this 10 rupees. Yes, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees. 10 rupees plus this 10 rupees, 20. 20 plus this 10 rupees, 30 rupees. Okay, so the cost of this ice cream is rupees 30. When you write rupees or paise, you need to write these symbols also. This is only in rupees, so we have to write here this symbol. Okay, the cost of this ice cream is 30 rupees. Okay, then see the cost of peanuts. Okay, this is 10 rupees note and this is also 10 rupee note. 10 plus 10, 20 rupees. So write here the cost of peanut is 20 rupees. Okay, now we'll find out the cost of this popcorn, sandwich and milk and we will send. Now we'll see the next exercise in the page number 96. How many rupees in all? See here, they have given some things here and they have given the value of the cost of those things here. Okay, see, circle the notes and coins to get the sum equal to the cost of the item. They have given the cost of the item. Now we have to circle the notes and coins to make how much money they have given here. See, for example, A1, it is sugar and the cost of this is 17 rupees. Yes, the cost of this is 17 rupees. Now children, we have to think and circle like that. It should be 17 rupees. Now see here children, this is 5 rupee note, this is also 5 rupee note, this is 10 rupee coin, this is 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin is there. Now children, how many coins and notes we have to circle to make 17 rupees? Now think that you have went to purchase sugar, okay, and you have 5 rupees note of 2 coins, one 5 rupee coin and one 10 rupee coin and one 2 rupee coin and one 1 rupee coin. Okay, think that you have went to buy sugar. Okay, and the shopkeeper says that cost of sugar is 17 rupees. Then how many coins you will give to shopkeeper or notes you will give to shopkeeper, children? You have to give 17 rupees only. Yes, but you have more money here. Then what? How many coins and notes you will give, children? That you have to circle. Okay, to make 17 rupees, this is 10 rupee coin. Circle this 10 rupees. 10 rupees you will give first. Then again, how much you have to give? 5 rupees. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees is 15 rupees. Then we have to give 17 rupees. Again, how much money we have to give? 2 rupees. So, circle this 2 1. Okay. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Like this, you need to circle. Okay. Now, you will give 10 rupees 1 coin, 5 rupees 1 coin and 2 rupees 1 coin to shopkeeper to buy sugar costing 17 rupees. Okay. Now see next one. Tea and the rupees of tea is 41 rupees. The cost of tea is 41 rupees and they have given here 20 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Yes. Now children, how many coins and notes you will give for the shopkeeper for the cost of 41 rupees? Circle this 20. Okay. 20 plus this. 20 plus 10 is 30. Yes. Now again, this we have to circle. Now 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. And again, how many rupees we need? 1 rupee. So circle this 1 rupee coin. Now check. This is 20. 20 plus this 10 rupees is 30. 30 plus this 10 rupees is 10 rupee coin is 40. 40 plus this 1 rupee coin 41 rupees. You have to give 20 rupees 1 coin, 20 rupees 1 note, 10 rupee 1 note, 10 rupee 1 coin and 1 rupee 1 coin to for the tea. Okay, which cost 41 rupees. Okay. Now C and D1 you will solve and send. Okay. Now see next exercise. How many coins make rupees 50? See A1. Dash coins of 5 rupees make 50 rupees. To make 50 rupees, how many coins of 5 rupees? How many 5 rupees coin you have to add, children? You have to take to make 50 rupees. How many 5 rupees coin we have to take? That we have to write here. Okay. To make 50 rupees, we have to take 10 coins of 5 rupees. Okay. 10 5s are 50. Okay. 5 10s are 50. Like this. Okay. We have to take 10 5 rupees coin. Okay. 10 5 rupees coin we have to take to make rupees 50. To make 50 rupees. Okay. See next one. B1. Dash coins of 2 rupees make 50 rupees. See here. To make 50 rupees, how many coins of 2 rupees? 2 rupees coin, how many we have to take? That we have to write here. Okay. Children, if you have coins, 2 rupees coins at home, you take those coins and make 50 rupees using those 2 rupees coin and then count the coins of 2 rupees. Then how many coins are there? That you have to write here. Okay. This one I will tell you. C and D1 you have to do by your own. Okay. If you take 25 coins of 2 rupees, then it will be 50 rupees. Okay. 25 coins of 2 rupees. 2 rupee coin you have to take 25 to make 50 rupees. Okay. Now C and D1 you will solve and tell. Now we'll move to next exercise. Write in rupees and paise. Okay. Children, as I have told you, rupees symbol is this one and paise is symbol is small p. Okay. And rupees and paise is also written as in between we have to put one dot. And this side we have to write rupees and this side we have to write paise. Now it is 12 rupees 50 paise. While pronouncing we have to see this dot, 12 rupees 50 paise. Okay. If dot is there, then this side should be, this side will be paise and this side will be rupees we have to write. Okay. Now see here we write rupees in paise as, rupees and paise as rupees 1 rupee 25 paise. Okay. We have to write like this. Rupees symbol we have to write and 1 rupees 25 paise. 1.25 means this is 1 rupees and this side is paise, that is 25 paise. Then we need rupees and paise. We read rupees and paise as 1 rupee 25 paise. Okay. Rupees is symbol for the Indian rupee. Okay. This rupees is symbol of Indian rupee. Then see next, a dot is used to separate rupees from paise. Okay. This dot is used to separate paise and rupees. This side will be rupees and this side will be paise. Okay. The rupees are written to the left of the dot, that is this side, left side, and paise is written to the right of the dot. Okay. Two places are used when writing the paise after the dot. Two places are used when writing the paise after the dot. Here we use two places. Okay. Ones and tens like this. Okay. Here we use two places to write down the paise after this dot. Okay. See for example 1 rupee 25 paise, 2 rupees 75 paise. Rupees symbol we need to write first. Okay. Write rupees and paise in words and figures. Okay. Children, they have given here rupees in figures and here in words they have given. These we need to write in words and here we need to write the rupees in figures. Okay. See for example they have given here, this is rupee symbol 1.75. 75 means 1.75 means this side is rupee and this side is paise. 1 rupee 75 paise. Okay, we have to read like this. This point we have to observe and we have to read it properly. This side rupees and this side as paise. 1 rupee 75 paise. And see B1, this is rupee symbol. This is 7.50. 7.50 means, read children, 7 rupees 50 paise. This is rupee and this is paise. 7 rupees 50 paise. Okay, we have to read like this and write 7 rupees 50 paise like this. Okay. Next see, C1 is rupees 40.25 means 40 rupees 25 paise. Okay, right here 40 rupees, FORTY, 40 rupee, 40 rupees 20, put a comma, then 25 paise. Write like this in words. Okay. And in children, from J, K, L, J to M, they have given rupees in words. We need to write those in figures. Okay. Read this, 130 rupees, 130 rupees and 10 paise. How to write this? Write first this rupee symbol, then write the rupees first. 130 rupees, 130 rupees. Okay, 130 rupees dot. When you write paise, before that you need to put dot. 130 rupees, then 10 paise. Put dot, then write 10 paise. Okay, 130 rupees and 10 paise. Write the remaining and send me. Okay, thank you.